Okay, I feel like after creating this coffee table on a very low budget within a day, and this Get Her Done hoodie, this hoodie is just ironic. Like, it shouldn't be called Daydreamer anymore. It's Dream Creator. Okay, maybe that's a little bit too cheesy. It's a working title. On to the great video. Redefine Decor. Hello, first, I'm Janelle, and this is Redefine Decor. Thank you guys for all your views. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you guys for subscribing. Subscribes have doubled in 2 months. One of the videos already has almost 4,000 views, and that is all you guys. So great job. Keep up those numbers. No, seriously, thank you, and I appreciate you. I appreciate your subscribes. I appreciate your likes. I appreciate the wonderful, kind comments that literally keeps me motivated, inspired to create fun things like this coffee table. So with this coffee table, I was scrolling through Pinterest, trying to find some cool ideas of things to actually buy, and I kept scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and none of the coffee tables were buyable because they weren't in a buyable price range. Then I found this one, and I was like, wait, I can make that. So I did, and this is how I did it. I got 2 chairs from the thrift store. This one, I believe, once I take the back off and the seat off, is going to be an exact replica of the chair we're trying to create and redo. This one I got because it's thicker and it has a really cool curve appeal to it. So I think once the back and the seat is off, it's going to have a nice Art Deco type of feel for the coffee table. Again, I got these from the thrift store, so this cost me $4 and this one was $5. I was honestly a little bit worried about how the framing was gonna look, especially how easy the seat just fell off. But just a little bit of rust and a little bit of batting I just need to scrape off and sand off. For the thinner chair, I'm using this flat spray paint. My personal opinion, when there's thin metal, when you use a high gloss paint, it makes it look cheap. For some reason matte and flat just makes it look more expensive and more industrial looking and more elegant. So I'm switching it up and using the flat on the thinner one. While the chairs are drying, I wanted to show you guys this. A glass shelf that's been sitting in my garage for a long time. I got it for at home that was closing down, and I got it for $5, and it's this really thick glass shelf, and it's super long, and it's the perfect size for this coffee table. And I know what you're thinking, what are the chances, Janelle, for me running to at homes that's closing down, because they never close down. What you can do, go to Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, Craigslist if you're brave. Get any glass coffee table. You don't care about the legs, you don't care about anything else, you just care about the glass. Take the glass out and then use it for this project. Their chairs are dry, so I'm literally just throwing them down and seeing which one fits the room without putting the glass top on or any of the pads. I like the shine and the fun shapes of the Art Deco one, but I think it's a little bit too cool, too bold for the room. So I'm gonna use this one, the one that resembles more the original Pinterest idea. I went ahead and purchased the felt pads, they're really nice and thick, and then these glass bumpers to keep the glass top on. I know this looks crazy, but the felt pads are there to help it balance. Since the back of the chair is more narrower, this will keep the table leveled. Look at this table. I mean, it's pretty close to the inspo pic. I've been thinking. I like the style of the coffee table. Like, it looks pretty cool. It just doesn't fit. It doesn't fit the style of the room. I don't know why. I think it may be a little too cool for the room. It has too much metal and glass, and the room just needs a little bit more warmth out of the coffee table. So I had an idea. I created this wooden frame. It's just a wooden rectangle that I use my extra 1x2s I had in my ceiling video, and I will link that video above. So luckily for me, I already had some 1x2s pre-stained and exact color I want. And in theory, the wooden frame is going to replace the back of the chair or one side of my coffee table, and having that wood will bring out those nice warm tones and bring a little bit more warmth to the coffee table, and hopefully make the coffee table fit perfectly in the room. So I made the wooden frame the same length of the back of the chair. So the plan is to take off the back of the metal chair and replace it with the wooden frame, and then take the metal supporting beam from the chair and put it on the frame to make it decorative and allow for the frame to carry the weight of the glass table. Don't mind me here, I'm literally just checking and guessing, see what looks cute and is more functional place for the support beam. Look how great this turned out. Okay, let's get a closer look. Coolest thing about this project is that I'm just using things around the house, like screws I had in the garage, spray paint I had in the garage, washer from the chairs. Like, only thing I actually purchased in this whole thing was the chair and the shelf. To be honest, there are parts that need touch up, but for the cost of this coffee table, wouldn't change a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.